Hey there, you're about to watch a quick clip from Marketing O'Clock. If you like what you see, we release new episodes every Friday with all the digital marketing news of the week. So we'd love you forever if you'd like and subscribe. Thanks. Next up here, we have some advertising news from Nicole Farley for Search Engine Land. This article says that starting on March 15th, so this article for context was posted on March 15th, the year of our Lord 2023, Microsoft Advertising will be changing the way broad match modifier keywords are served for search ads. So it says what's happening. Currently, broad match modified keywords serve as phrase match, but they will now begin to serve as broad match. This change will be rolled out gradually, and Microsoft Advertising expects to maintain stable performance. So both Google and Microsoft phased out broad match modifier a couple years ago now. And it's been serving as phrase. And now if you have those legacy broad match modifier keywords in your account with the plus sign, they're going to be broad. And we were given no heads up.
But in Google, they still act as phrase match.
Yes.
So if you have,
are you being Team Google right now?
No, I'm just saying you gotta be prepared.
Yeah.
Because
they're not going to be the same.
It's not the same. You cannot take something, export from Google that's working well, and if you've got these old legacy terms in there and import, or if you have those, they're going to act wildly different.
And we audit accounts all the time that still have broad match modified running in the account. And people, I don't know if they don't know that it's phased out or they just don't take the time to update it and they're fine with it running as phrase match. But I'm sorry, this is really disgusting to me. You're just going to make this change. First of all, I just checked the Microsoft Advertising blog. There's no update since March 13th. They did not give an announcement on this. There's no link to a source in the article besides what is broad match from Microsoft Advertising. They just told Search Engine Land to announce this, it seems like.
Wow.
They gave nobody any heads up. I have Microsoft Advertising accounts running for multiple clients. We don't have BMM in there, but maybe I should have gotten an email. Maybe we should all be getting emails. You're just going to change the match type, and the matching in Microsoft is so egregious, and you're just going to change everyone's keywords to a broad match? You can't use broad match in Microsoft. You can't.
You cannot.
I cannot believe the way this rollout was just announced. Oh, by the way, ICYMI. Starting today, starting right now, you have broad match in your account, and you had no idea. I'm sick to my stomach. Okay, then it says, updating your accounts. There is no need for advertisers to take any action at this point.
Disagree.
Microsoft Advertising recommends that advertisers monitor their performance for at least 2 weeks before making any adjustments.
No.
They're going to make so much money in those 2 weeks. So much money.
You cannot use broad match in Microsoft. I test it all the time. I'm like, oh, maybe now things are changing. I was wrong about Google. You cannot use it. Don't do this.
You barely use keywords anymore.
Change the match type. Then they have a little graphic in here. If needed, but not recommended. Switching BMM to phrase. I'm recommending it. This is so upsetting to me that nobody was notified besides the search engine article as far as I know. Again.
Search Engine Land.
Search Engine Land, sorry. Maybe if you have it in your account, you got an email. I did not get an email, and I would have liked one. Thank you. I'm upset. Thank you for listening.
I was upset, but you just somehow made everything I was thinking, you just very eloquently put out there.
Oh, I'm glad you think that was eloquent. This is gross.
There is going to be a lot of people whose performance is going to drop starting on the 15th.
And they have no idea why.
They'll be monitoring it closely, I'm sure.
They'll be looking at change history, what happened. They'll be going to the Microsoft blog, what happened.
Nothing.
Good luck.